Good afternoon, everyone. This is Christy with Ahn Co. It's Wednesday, October 3rd. I'm going to go over the markets with you. A little bit weaker tone into these grain markets as we just struggle. We're torn in a couple different directions. So the 2-week forecast looks extremely wet, extremely cold for a lot of these areas that you might see a little bit of delay here in harvest. The biggest question is, will you get enough little pockets along the way to chip away at harvest? We're running ahead of pace when it comes to the corn market. When you look at the bean market, a big question is these rains that were coming, are we going to have spoilage issue when it comes to the bean market? And it looked like the bean market really wanted to take off with that information this morning, but then when reality kind of stuck in, the fact that we have a very large carryout, that USDA will probably be increasing yields to come here. Yield reports have been extremely strong. You did see sellers start to come out to these markets. So you had corn close down about 2 3/4, bean market down about 3.5 to 4.5, wheat market traded both sides, actually having quite a bit of support to follow through from yesterday, but by the end of the day also weaker here, anywhere from 1 to 3 cents lower. You did see that weakness spill over into the cattle markets. That looked like more of a profit taking. You were up against some stiff resistance points really across the board for live cattle, feeder cattle, and deferred hog contracts. And so you had about $1 lower on all of those, but you did have October feeder cattle or October lean hogs be able to be supported here as cash continues to remain strong. Demand is out there. So there's that separation between October and December hogs. Outside markets were favorable. You had a lot of support there, especially in the Dow being up almost 150 points at one point, but then finding a little bit of seller pressure as you came in here as you're at all-time highs once again and faded back, being just modestly higher. Moving forward, what we're going to be watching is this forecast to see if we can get any pockets to get some harvest potential done, and just continue to listen to these yield reports as they're coming in extremely strong. I do have to close with the disclaimer: trading in futures and options involves risk loss, may not be suitable for all producers. Have a great day.